Hello. Today I'm here at the historic Venice Train Depot, which marks the connection point between the Legacy Trail and the Venice Trail, which are both wonderful bike rides, which is the reason I'm here. But I'm also here to talk about today's topic, which is I can combine my will and my trust. Well, to explain this, I think it's best that I explain the difference between the two documents. A trust is a private agreement where one party agrees to hold property for another. And they can often be used for tax savings, for asset protection, for probate avoidance, and of course their original purpose, holding property for another who maybe needs to be protected in one way or another. A will, on the other hand, is a statement of intentions as to what you want to happen if you were to pass away. And the will is basically instructions to the probate court, so it requires a probate to be effective. And so while yes, you can have a trust exist within a will, that is known as a testamentary or springing trust. It only comes into existence after the creator has died and their will has been probated. That's different than a living revocable trust, which exists during the creator's lifetime and therefore can hold property. And so that's how a trust avoids probate. It holds property already, and therefore there's no probate necessary. On the other hand, with a testamentary or springing trust, again, it only comes into existence via the the will, and therefore requires a probate. So it does serve the purpose of holding property for another, which can be of value, but it does not avoid probate, which is one of the #1 reasons you would have a trust in the first place. So the answer to this is yes, it is true that a trust can be contained within a will, therefore combined, but it's probably not the best of ideas. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe below, and we'll do more. Thank you.